What's up guys, this is Karol from Undisputed Market, and if you're watching this video, probably doing some research on YouTube about how to make money on Warrior Plus in 2020. So in this video we're going to dive deep into this topic, and we're going to actually look at the ways how you can earn money through Warrior Plus affiliate marketing. So before we dive into this topic, you've probably noticed that I'm in front of my YouTube channel, Undisputed Marketer. So if you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button over here, or just right under this video. Comment, share, and give me thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it and what are your experiences with Warrior Plus. So without further ado, let's dive into this topic. So I'm going to log into my Warrior Plus account, and we're going to actually start with Warrior Plus and all the ways how you can earn money through Warrior Plus. Now, Warrior Plus is basically an affiliate marketing marketplace where vendors and affiliate marketers come together and they find whatever they need. So affiliate marketers find products to promote, and vendors can put their products there as offers for affiliate marketers to promote. Now, I'm not going to go through all the bits and the ways how to navigate through Warrior Plus, because I presume you can already go through it on your own and find it by yourself. It's very self-explanatory. It's very easy. I'm just going to go through very few things that I find very instrumental. So first of all, here you have the top sellers, which is by product or vendor. What I like to do always is go through last 30 days, which gives you a better idea about the ways how the product itself is working through a longer period of time. Now, when you go into the affiliate offers, when you are going through the ways how to promote and make money on Warrior Plus, first of all you gotta find a good selling product, right? This is really the key, and don't skip this part, because many people just go over there and just choose randomly a product, and in the end it doesn't really work. So when it comes to the choosing of the right product, you gotta look and take or pay attention to many things that Warrior Plus have quite a good filters and good information on. So first of all is the refund rate. So refund rate is basically one of the most important, if not the most important way or thing to look for when it comes to Warrior Plus and products. So a refund rate basically tells you how many products or how many customers ask for refund after they pay, right? So the good refund rate is anywhere under 3%. So including 3% is still good. 4% is okay depending on the number of sales, but I wouldn't go for 5 or more percent, just because something is not good at that product. Now the other thing that I like to look for is definitely the sales. So number of sales, how many sales that particular product got sold, and also the release date will tell you in what kind of a time frame, right? So the release date can show you either if it is a brand new product, which is 2020 May, this is July, so it's pretty fresh, or there are also products that are pretty there for quite some time, and they are well established and basically evergreen sellers. So that's basically what you can do. You can either choose a product which is a fresh product, brand new, and market doesn't really know it, or you can go for something that is well established and have proven over the time that it's a good product. Now, when it comes to actually choosing the product with Warrior Plus, you will need to request an approval. Now, request an approval is just don't worry about that. When you choose a product, I'm just going to choose this one just randomly, literally. I didn't even look at it. So when it comes to the promotion of a product, you will need to request an approval over here. Now don't worry about this. Here is just pay to your account, so just make sure you connect your PayPal account. And here is the request notes. Now sometimes it doesn't even you don't even need to put anything into the notes, but sometimes you do, especially if your account is fairly new. So what I suggest you to do is just basically write what is the way how you are going to promote this product, and this some kind of like a strategies. You don't need to show everything, but just give them an idea of how you're going to do, because the main point of this is not to basically get their links spammed all over the place, right? So that's that's the main reason why they request these kind of approvals. So once you do get approved, then it all comes to the way how you're promoting your products, right? And so first of all, it all comes down to the way how you speak with your customers, and that's also connected to the product that you're offering, right? So it's not only about being a product that is good for you as an affiliate marketer, but it's also important for to be a good product for the customer. So just go ahead and check the actual sales page, which is over here, and check if there are any red flags. And by red flags I do mean traditional things, as over promising some kind of like an statements that are not really true, not being able to be truth, and all of these overstatements, especially like for example, I don't know, get rich in 1 week, or be a millionaire in in a few days without even working. All of this stuff, you can spot them very easily, something that is not really able to be truth. And also check all of these stuff, what's the payment methods, 30 days money back guarantee, and all of that stuff, because it's very important for the customer to have a good product. And apart from that, once you do get this, it's fairly simple, but just don't skip this part, because especially on Warrior Plus, but also on other affiliate marketplaces, there are some products that are really some kind of like I don't want to use scammy products, but it's like a tricky ones that you don't want to get involved too much into them. No. Now, when you decide that it's a good product for the customer, then it needs to be a good product for you as well as an affiliate marketer. And how you check that is, first of all, the commission range, and basically what is the actual your earnings. So we can go ahead and check the funnel map, or actually let's just go into the products itself. Now, as you can see, here is the profit drive. They have 12 products, which is amazing. And when it comes to products like this, you do want to have a product that has other products or upgrades inside of it, which means basically that when your customer buys the first one, which is what you're going to offer, or basically the cheapest one, then the product owners, the vendor, will offer them some of these upgrades as well. And you do want to have these upgrades to be of higher value than your original one, because that's they broke the ice with a small item, with the lower priced product, and then gradually they will go up and up. Now, as you can see over here, you have commission for each of these particular products, and all of them have 50% commission, which is just great. So if you sell one of these ones, then it's basically $98, so that which is very good money, and all of these products are very good price. So this is like a good example of a product that is both good for the customer and for the affiliate marketer as well. Now, when it comes to the actual promotion and selling of this product, first of all, you gotta think about your audience. What are these people interested in? if it is a product, I personally, I didn't really check this what kind of a product it is, because I just want to give you as much information as I possibly can in as little time as possible. But just go ahead and check what is this product all about. Think about your audience, think about your niche that you want to represent. Don't my good advice is, don't promote products that are in different niches that have nothing in common. So for example, don't promote make money online product and lose weight product, right? That have nothing in common. But what you can do is, when you're in make money online niche, which is for example what I am in, you can literally offer also additional products that are supporting, but they are not necessarily involved with making money online. So that's, for example, you can promote email marketing products, you can promote some funnel builders, you can promote some web hosting products, and all of these things that are literally helping the person who is trying to make money online. They are helping him to do this, right? And so just think about your audience, and then when it comes to the actual promoting, you gotta think about the way how you promote it. So are you just think about this for ask yourself a few questions. So are you just going to spam all over the place your links, or are you going to push your links and push the viewers, the customers, to buy the product? Are you going to spam it on Facebook and just comment on any messages and just comment without even thinking your links, right? Or are you going to create something different? Are you going to be somebody who gives value to people and really wants to help them? That's when the magic happens. You gotta create something that is, first of all, your own, unique, and is literally something that nobody, or basically people that are they don't see it very, very often, right? And that's where it comes to the relationship between you and your customer, because when you help them with providing valuable information about the specific problem they have, then that's the magic. There's the magic when it happens, because they basically, you gotta understand that people on the internet, they are looking for information. They're not necessarily looking for to buy anything or anything like this. They are first of all looking for information, and if they get enough information, they are willing to buy or pay for that information, but only when they get that information, right? So the way how you gonna do it is literally give them information as the first thing what you do. That's how you break the ice, that you will give them the information and they are going to be, wow, this person gave me the information that I was looking for, he delivered on his promise, and he didn't even ask me to buy anything, right? That alone will set you apart and will put you head and shoulders about all the rest of the affiliate marketers, most of them especially, because 90% of the people, especially the beginners in affiliate marketing, are doing exactly what we talk about. They are just spamming the links and something like this, So when you create something of your own, when you create, if it is a product in affiliate marketing or make money online niche, then you can create something like a small product, or like informations. It can be either an ebook, it can be something downloadable, it can be a video series, a video, whatever else, where you give that information to the people, and then if they are interested, join them, or recommend them product that you're offering that is going to basically upgrade on the information that you already provided them, that they already received, right? And so this is how you do this is how you make money on WordPress, with WordPress in 2020, because in the past it was very, very common and usual to just spam the links and get the sales. But now in 2020 and onwards, it's more and more about giving the value and being different, because all of these other guys that are just spamming, there's too many of them, and many of the customers online, they already know about this and they just ignore them. So this is how you do this in 2020. And listen, if you are interested in checking out the ways how to create something like this, like we spoke about, the value, how to help these people, how to give them information, and you want to check it how it looks like with a video series or something like this, then go ahead and click the link in the description. Is the first link in the description, and you can check exactly my video series about affiliate marketing that I've created, and you can just check it out. It's completely free. You just put your email and the videos will be sent out to your email address. It's completely free, no strings attached. Just go ahead and check it out to have an inspiration to see how it looks like, and what is the what is the exact theme and the topic, how it looks like, because I can talk about this days, but if you check it out for yourself, that's how you will get the most out of it. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this, hope you get a lot of value from it. Go ahead and check it out if you are interested. No pressure at all, and I hope to see you soon in another video. Let me know in the comments below when you check out the video series, what you think about it. If you like this video, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel over there. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.